Hello you guys and welcome. We are going to get right into this video. Target is killing it lately. I don't know if you guys have been there lately, but I went shopping the other day just to kind of look at their handbags, their shoes, their clothes, and I was impressed. So these are just some of the handbags that I found. And I also went online and found some good deals for you guys as well. I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you if you want to do a little online shopping. So this first bag that I saw, I actually saw it in the store. This thing is gorgeous. Some of the colors are on clearance. So this one's 25. The normal price is 30, I believe. Some of them are out of stock online just because they're on sale, so people have been buying them, but you may be able to find some in your store. But I thought this one was so cute. It looks so high end and it comes in a variety of colors, and $30 for a bag is not a bad deal. So I think what they're doing is just kind of putting all of their summer colors on clearance. So if you guys can snag one of these, I thought they were so cute. And then this other bag, this Addison crossbody, I thought this one was such a cute, like everyday purse. Comes in a variety of colors. I personally liked the leopard color the best, go figure, but I thought this was a perfect little size for just an everyday purse. You know, you could fit a little wallet in there, and 20 bucks. I don't think that's a bad deal at all. I wasn't too sure about that green color or the yellow color, but hey, I'm sure some, oh, and yeah, that one's on clearance. So and then I found these super cute little mule heels for $34.99. I kind of like this color. I like the snakeskin heel, but I really like the black. I think these would go with anything. I don't wear heels a whole heck of a lot, but I thought these would be super cute if you were going out for a night and wanted to wear some heels. They were actually really comfortable too. And then these shoes, I don't exactly know what a deck shoe is, but I thought that they were so cute because I love the camouflage thing going on. And they are a little bit pricier, but I think they're supposed to be really, really good quality. So I don't know if they'd be good if for like working outside or something, but I just thought they were really cute. And then these sandals for $29.99. I thought these were super cute too. They come in a variety of colors, and I personally I like the pink, and the silver ones were really cute too, but these would have gone really good with the dress that I'm going to be trying on in a little bit, so stay tuned for that. And like I said, you guys, everything I talk about in this video, I will put a link to it in the description box if you guys want to go and check it out. All right, now for the trying on portion. I didn't talk while I was in the fitting room because I didn't want people like wondering what the heck I was doing. So I'm just going to do a voiceover. So I tried on these super cute leopard leggings. They are super like buttery soft. I wouldn't probably recommend working out in them, but they're perfect for just lounging around, going to get the kids from school or whatever. And this long sleeve ribbed shirt was super comfy as well. Now, okay, these little capris I ended up buying. I thought they were so cute. They were on clearance for 14 or $15. So I don't know if they'll have any left at your store, but they were super comfortable and I love the color. Now this top, it came in a variety of colors, but I wasn't happy with how the top part was. Like it kind of was a little too big, like in the arms. And it was really comfortable though. Like I really like the material, but I wasn't a fan of how big it was on me. But I did find this tee, and this tee fit perfect. It came in a bunch of different colors, and I just kind of tucked the front in a little bit. I like the look of this. Some people don't like it, but I just like to put a little bit tucked in the front because then it just makes me, I don't know. When I don't have it tucked in, I just feel funny. But these tops were super comfortable. And they're only $8, so you could stock up in every single color. Now onto some activewear. You guys, I have not tried on Target activewear in a very long time, and I was absolutely shocked by these pants. They were so soft and comfortable. They're like seamless, and I couldn't believe how comfortable they were. It like felt like I wasn't wearing anything. And the bottom, like the capri part had like little holes basically, like almost like it's supposed to cool you down when you're working out. I don't know. They were really comfortable, and as you can see, they're totally seamless. Um, I was just really impressed by these. And then as far as the top, it's just a little ribbed tank. I thought that this one was so comfortable, and this one was only $14, which that's not horrible. I figure anything under 20, but this came in a variety of colors as well, and I thought that it was just really, really comfortable. And then with the ribbed tee, I tried on some little running shorts, and these were only 16, and they were really comfortable. They came with like a little liner, like a, whatever they're called, so you can't see your underwear. And I thought that they were really comfy. All right, now these next shorts. I'm not sure what I think of them. They're just a high-rise pull-on short. They're more for like, they're not workout shorts. They're more for like going out, but I don't know. There was just something about them that I feel like they weren't very flattering on me. Maybe if I would have tried them on with a different shirt, because I just left that same tank on, but I don't know what it is about these. They're really comfortable. So I don't know. I just feel like they don't look very flattering on me, but I did like the feel of them. They were very soft. They were very comfortable, but I don't know. I just don't think they looked right on me. Now, these shorts I absolutely loved. I would definitely pair it with a different shirt. These were $22.99 and these were so comfortable. I would probably get maybe a white shirt and just tuck it in kind of the same way, but I thought that these were super comfortable and I really liked the pattern. I think it came in one other color as well. And now for this dress, you guys, I'm obsessed. Okay, when I saw it on the hanger, I was like, that it's cute, but I don't think it's gonna look cute on. This dress is so pretty on. This one was $34.99, and I just thought it was so flattering. It would be perfect for a wedding or just like a summer date. I know it's almost pretty much fall, but I just thought this dress was so pretty, and I was pleasantly surprised when I put it on because I just didn't think it was going to be very flattering, but I think it's so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like videos like this, and I will definitely do more. We will see you all soon. Bye.